What's up, madlang people? So today I'll be teaching you or giving you tips on how to do a heel damping. So heel of your hand being put on top of the strings here near the bridge. It's up to you where you wanted to put it, but there's like a corresponding sound. I like it resting here on the bridge. So it's damping the sound. Because if you don't do the heel damping, putting like accent to it. So this is our current setup. Focusrite, iTrack pocket, then going to the iPad, and then I'm using Brit combo, and this is like equivalent to Marshall. I put the drive all the way and then a little bit of delay. You can't see on the screen there. That's drive, this one, and then that's delay. It's just that it's not compatible with the iPad, I think. And then the mode is guitar and microphone, and then for monitor headphones. There you go. Then let's close that one. Once you master this one, there's loads of rock songs that uses heel damping. Oh, and also like this song. So you're doing a heel damping to that song. Because if you don't do heel damping, it will sound like this. Doesn't sound right if you don't use the heel damping. If you don't do heel damping when you're doing ska, if I don't release my hand here, if I put like a combination of heel damping learned something. And for those who already know this technique, sorry, but I had to share it to other friends. So God bless everyone. Practice your heel dumping. Rest it near the bridge, and your pick technique is a combination of everything. Okay guys, so see you all soon, and please, if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and support me with this journey. And thank you again. See you soon. Bye bye.